strong.
Hi, welcome to Skyway Learners. Today's topic is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. For sin theta, complementary angle is cos. For tan, complementary angle is cot. And for secant, complementary angle is cosecant. Let us see how the complementary angles are derived. Here is a right angled triangle. It is right angled at B. In a triangle, sum of all the angles is equal to 180 degree. As it is a right angled triangle, here B is 90 degree. Therefore, A plus C should be equal to 90 degree. It is shown that sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite to A is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Similarly, we have found all the trigonometric ratios for cos A, tan A, cosecant A, secant A and cot A. Let us take angle C is equal to 90 degree minus A. Since A plus C is equal to 90 degree, we can derive this equation like this. Therefore, instead of writing sin C, instead of C, we have written as 90 minus A. Similarly, we have calculated for sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot. Instead of C, we have written as 90 minus A. Let mark this as 1 and mark this as 2. From 1 and 2, we can say that sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A. For both, it is AB by AC. These both are equal. Similarly, for tan 90 minus A, which is equal to cot A. For both cot A and tan 90 minus A, it is AB by BC. Thus, by equating all the 6 equations, we can get the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles as sin 90 minus A is equal to cos, cos 90 minus A is equal to sin, tan 90 minus A is equal to cot, cot 90 minus A is equal to tan, secant 90 minus A is equal to cosecant, cosecant 90 minus A is equal to secant A. These are the complementary angles for the trigonometric ratios. Let us see some of examples for trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Here is the first question. Evaluate. Under this there are 4 subdivisions. This is the first one. Sin 18 by cos 72. This can be written as cos 90 minus 18 divided by cos 72. Since sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A. Here A is 18 degree. We have written this sin A as complementary using cos. Sin 18 becomes cos 90 minus 18, which is equal to cos 90 minus 18 is 72 by cos 72. Therefore, both get cancelled, which is equal to 1. Under first question, it is the second subdivision. Tan 26 by cot 64, which is equal to cot 90 minus 26 by cot 64. Here we are replacing the tan 26 as cot 90 minus 26. Cot 90 minus 26 is cot 64 by cot 64. Both get cancelled, which is equal to 1. This is the answer. Hope you understand. Let us see some more examples in the next video. Thank you. Bye.